Morning guys, hope you're all okay. So today is day 3 of my last week of work at England, really. So I'm on my way there now. The weather's pretty poor, hence why the trolleys are behind me. Yeah, not going to be filming me at work today, just, you guys don't really need to see that. But I have got a workout for you tonight. Hopefully the rain goes so I can get to work in some sunshine, and then smash out a nice shoulder workout for you guys that you can see. So I'm going to get my butt to work, and I'll speak to you guys in a bit. Catch you later.
As we etch them with our fingers and years of wet cement, days blur into each other, though everything seemed clear. We cruise along at half speed, but then we shift the gears. We're red like vampires from 1,000 burning suns, but even then we should have stayed, but we ran away. Now all my friends are gone. Maybe we've outgrown all the things that we once loved. Run away. Identities assume us as 95 add up, synchronizing watches to the seconds that we lost. And I looked up and saw you, I know that you saw me. We froze but for a moment in empathy. I brought down the sky for you, but all you did was shrug. You keep my emptiness in, and you ran away. Now all my friends are gone. Maybe we've outgrown all the things that we once loved. Run away. What are we running from? A show of hands from those in the audience of one. Where have they gone? We're all okay until the day we're not.
So there was a quick shoulder session for you guys. The rain is still about, but it's not too bad. So I'm going to go walk home, and yeah, I've got to get some packing done. So San Diego in 5 days now. It's coming up really, really fast. Can't wait to get out there. But first I got to pack my stuff. There's going to be a lot of stuff to pack. And yeah, get some food and shower. Right, as for rainy days, I don't like them. Speak to you later, guys. So I've got home and I've got my green tea and salmon with broccoli and peas, low carb meal to finish the day off. I'm just going to get this down me, go and have a shower, and then I've got to get some packing done. It's the hardest part of the journey, making sure you pack. I've had an email today from an owner of an apartment, so I'm speaking to them, trying to finalise something, so I've got a place for July and August. So hopefully by the end of the day I'll have a place to stay for July and August, and yeah, it's going to be pretty awesome, can't wait, and it's going to be a different destination for me to do some filming in, which would be awesome. So I'm going to get this down me and then get some packing done. Okay guys, so I have just jumped out of the shower and got a little bit of packing to do. I'm just gonna put it here. So I've got stuff, most of my stuff laid out, got my suitcase ready. Need to just start putting it all together now. And yeah, getting super excited for the next 3 months of my life. Going to be pretty awesome in San Diego and 2.5 weeks in Texas with Lauren. Speaking of Lauren, I am just about to FaceTime with her. It's going to be a bit of a surprise call. Don't think she's ready for it. So let's say good night to you guys. Get my packing done, and I'll speak to you in the morning. Hope you enjoyed today's workout, and yeah, keep up to date. Can't wait for this summer, and I hope you guys are going to stick along with me to see what happens. So, but for now, good night, take care, look after yourselves, stay safe, and see you soon.